Finally happening, the 98.5 Family Mashes. We're all here. Check out the nets. Go the north.
So here we are. We're down here for the 98.5 Family Mashes. Very excitement. Maria and I are just keeping out of the way because the boys are training. They're very serious. It's a little bit scary, and I've just learnt the first rule of cricket. The ball's coming your way and you don't want to grab it, you say heads.
Oh yeah.
Waiting on a couple of team members. 9 of the north are rocked up, but my guys are pretty good. Is this Emmanuel?
Yeah.
Mate, welcome.
How are ya?
Good, buddy. Good to have you here. This is probably our secret weapon. Okay, that's what we've called him. So the weapon, and he's here.
Okay, so the title is 98.5 Matches. The footy season's finished and now cricket's underway, but there's another big game happening here in WA. It involves two great sides who are out for some fun. There's the team from the north who will be number one. With Morro leading from the front, he's sure to give a toast, because this team in comparison is as good as West Coast. So from Cottesloe to Yanchep, Subi to Joondalup, come along to cheer us on, help us win the Mashers Cup. To Kirste in the south, you look a formidable team, but this day will be the North's. Try again in 2016.
That was fantastic, Daniel. Guys, just a reminder that we are taking donations and all proceeds are going straight to the Ponting Foundation to help those families that are afflicted with cancer. So make sure you buy some food, buy some taters, buy some sausages, and donate as well. It's going to be a great day. Good luck, guys.
I can't wait. This egg at Kirste.
Let's go, guys.
That breakdown is cleared from Morley Drive East.